Hi and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you easy and quick fix if you have message check front park aid or check your front or rear parking sensors. This is gonna cost you $0 if you have WD-40 kicking somewhere around. So grab your WD-40, locate your sensors and give it a good spray. This is gonna work for front as well as for rear parking sensors. Now I'm going to start the vehicle and see if the warning message for sensor is still on. And the message is gone. I hope this simple trick will help you fix your vehicle sensors as well. And thanks for watching. Bye.